What's up developers? Welcome back to the Programming Fields, where we keep things fresh, modern and full of Laravel magic. If you have watched the last video, you already know Laravel 12 is packed with new features, cleaner code and some much needed deprecations. But today we are rolling up our sleeves and upgrading your Laravel 11 project or its earlier version to Laravel 12. And this will be safely, smartly and step by step. And hey, don't worry if this is your first time upgrading, because by the end of this video you will be running Laravel 12 like a pro. So grab a coffee, hit that like button to support the channel, and let's dive right into it. So here I am on the official documentation of Laravel 12. Here we can check out the release notes, and for upgrading any Laravel version to Laravel 12 we will have to follow the upgrade guides. So under the upgrade guides we have high impact changes, medium impact changes and low impact changes. Okay, so before moving to the upgrade, firstly we will have to check the prerequisites. So for the prerequisites of Laravel 12 we will have to come under the release notes once. Inside this we have the support policy. So for Laravel 12 the minimum PHP version will be 8.2 and it supports maximum 8.4. So before going ahead with the upgrade, you will have to make sure your PHP version is greater than or equals to 8.2. So firstly I'll navigate to the terminal and I will type php -- version. Yes, I have the latest PHP version as 8.4. If you don't have the PHP version till 8.2, you will have to update the PHP version. Also we will have to check composer version. So I have the composer version as 2.8.5. so this is sufficient. For Laravel 12 it needed minimum 2.5. Alright, so in my system I already have the composer and PHP version sufficient in order to upgrade to Laravel 12. Now we have to choose any project that we want to upgrade to Laravel 12. So in my case I already have a chat application that I have created in Laravel 11. So to check that project Laravel version, I will just type php artisan -- version. If I will hit enter, yes, we can see that project Laravel version is 11.4. And if I will come to the browser, if I will refresh the application, here this is the Laravel chat application that was built using Livewire and Reverb WebSocket. Here on the home page we can see this is Laravel 11.4 version. Alright, so this is a fully functioning working project that I want to upgrade to Laravel 12. If I'll navigate to the login and if I'll log in from one of the registered user, yes, I have logged in, and from here I can send the message. Okay, now regarding this project, firstly we will have to check out the composer.json file. So I'll navigate to the code editor and I'll look into the composer.json file here. Inside this, here I have the framework version. Also this is the PHP 8.2 and we have used Laravel Reverb, that is 1.0, and this is the Livewire, that is 3.4. Okay, and we have the additional libraries just like paste for the testing, and that is 3.7 version, and also we have this Laravel bridge for the authentication scaffolding, that is 2.3. So in order to update this Laravel 11 to Laravel 12, we will have to update these all versions. So I'll be following the official documentation again. Under the upgrade guide, if we'll scroll down, here we have the upgrading to 12 from 11.x or its earliest version. So Laravel provides one additional feature, that is Laravel Shift, in order to upgrade your Laravel application version. So this is a paid tool basically, and this will automate your application upgrades to the latest version. If we'll check out this Laravel Shift, so this Laravel Shift will upgrade your project from the Git. That means in order to upgrade your project automatically, you will have to connect your project with GitHub, Bitbucket or GitLab, and then you will have to enter the repository details and you'll have to give a PR for the review, and then this will automate the project upgrade, and this will take maximum 5 minutes. Alright, but this is a paid tool, so if you have a large project and you don't want to stress up on upgrading to that latest version, you can choose this. Else we will go with the manual upgrades. So I'll be navigating to the high impact changes first. So these are the high impact changes, but again, for a disclaimer, before moving ahead, it is highly recommended, please always back up your project and use a separate Git branch before upgrading to the latest version, because upgrades can break out your code and sometimes your project can stop working. So it is highly recommended, firstly keep the backup of your project and then start upgrading. Yeah, so I'm good to upgrade the Laravel 11 to Laravel 12. So firstly, I will change the Laravel framework to 12 in the composer.json file. So I'll be navigating to the composer.json file, and here I have the previous version as 11.31, that I will change this to 12.0. Okay, and next we have to change this PHP unit to 11.0. So let's search for PHP unit. We don't have the PHP unit, instead we have the paste. So I will be upgrading the paste to 3.0. Okay, but here we have the paste as 3.7. So this is the latest version here, so we don't have to downgrade this. Let's keep it same. Now regarding the Laravel bridge, we have the 2.3. So we can check out the Laravel bridge version, and here we have the release note, and currently this is 2.3.6. Okay, so this is already the latest version. Here we have 2.3, that will work. Now regarding the Laravel reverb, I will check out the Laravel reverb package version. So this is 1.4.8 and we have 1.0. Alright, so what I will do, I will go with the suggestion by upgrading the composer, and if we'll throw any error, then accordingly we will update this version. So currently I have just updated the Laravel framework version to 12.0, and based on this I will simply run composer update command in the terminal. So I will type composer update. Let's wait for a moment. And yes, this has started upgrading to Laravel 12. Yes, the upgrade is completed. If we'll type PHP artisan version, we have Laravel framework 12.3.0. Alright, so while upgrading, if you hit any dependency conflicts, you will have to read out the error carefully and bump those packages manually. Now after successful upgrade, you will have to clear the cache, so you will have to run PHP artisan optimize clear, and also you can execute composer dump autoload. So this will generate the optimized autoload files. Yes, this is done. Now let's check out the project if it is working successfully. I'll come to the home page. I'll refresh the application. Here we can see we have Laravel 12.3. Okay. Here we are able to see list of users for this chat application. I'll just try to click on the second user just to check, are we able to send any message. Hey, welcome to Laravel 12. Yes, I'm able to send the message. The message is sent instantly. If I will try to search a message, yes, this search functionality is also working. That means our project has been successfully upgraded to Laravel 12 without any error and confliction. and all the functionalities are working as expected. And just like that, you are now running Laravel 12. Finally, we upgraded to Laravel 12 version with the dependencies and fixed breaking changes. And let me know in the comments if anything tripped you up while upgrading to the Laravel 12 version, or if your upgrade went buttery smooth. And if you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more developer friendly Laravel content. And also don't forget to share this content with your team. And in the next video, we are diving into how to actually use Laravel 12's new features in a real world project. So you should not miss it. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.